Hey everyone, welcome to Major Automations, and I'm excited to bring you this short today. I realized I was doing the same tutorials in every single video, so I figured I'd just record them here as far as getting started and setting up all the different modules for the different LLMs we're using the most. This will be a growing portfolio. There's going to be, this one is for ChatGPT or OpenAI. So the first thing you're going to do is go to platform.openai.com. So this is not the typical website. This is going to be the one where you are going to get your APIs. So you're going to have to log in and you're going to need a paid version of OpenAI. So I think it's $20 a month. This is definitely the most expensive LLM to use because you have to have a subscription with it as well. The rest of them are just pay as you go. So for this one, go ahead and sign up for that. When you log in, it'll prompt you to go ahead and do all that. So we're going to log in. Continue, and it's going to ask you a bunch of stuff. Just go ahead and answer all that. All right, so here we are. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go to our dashboard here. It's going to give you some prompts, just get started, and then we're going to go to API keys. We're going to go, oops, let me minimize my face here. We're going to go to API keys. So this is where you're going to have to do verification, and you're also going to end up needing to I'm not going to be able to do it on this one because this is the new account, so I'm going to switch over to my other account, but you'll need to verify your phone number. All right, so we're here on the paid account now. We're going to go to our dashboard, and we're going to go to API keys. So you're going to go ahead and create a new secret key. So one thing to pay attention to is you see how I'm on default project here? So you're going to want to, if you've created a project or you want to organize things separately, maybe you're working with different clients or whatever it might be, you're going to want to make sure that your API is created within the project that you are working in. So if you're connecting to, let's say, one client's automations, maybe you want to keep them separate. I recommend you do. It's much easier to stay organized that way. Make sure you're within the correct project. So you can see it's a different API key here, and the newsletter, totally different API key as well. So I'm going to do it in default just because that's easier to track. So I'm going to go ahead and you click create new key. So you go ahead and name it whatever you'd like. I'm going to name it test key 1. It's attached to default project. So you can see only default project shows up here. And then there's a couple of permissions here. Don't worry about that. Just give it all and then create the secret key here. And then once you create that secret key, you're going to copy and paste it over into Make. So we're going to head over there. So when you're creating your new scenario, and we're just doing this to get to the part where it asks us to connect. So we're going to type in chat, OpenAI, and we're going to do create a completion, and then it's going to require a connection. So in here, this is where you're going to paste that API key, and then you're going to go back to your OpenAI, and you're going to go to your settings, and then billing. So here you are going to need to add some payments so that I can access the API. So in your billing here, this is where you're going to be able to do that. And then you'll go to your org. So click org, it'll take you to the general, and this is that org ID that you need. So you copy that, put it in here. So you got your API key, you got your org, you go ahead and paste that in here. And you're good to go. So you go ahead, click save, and you're rocking and rolling. And now you can use ChatGPT for any module within Make. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.